So hello everyone, hope you are fine and safe. So today I have these wireless AirPods by Aiwa Japan and we are going to do its unboxing and yeah, let's start. Okay guys, now let's look at this amazing box. Okay, so you can see the ergonomic design, seamless automatic pairing, wireless and high definition audio quality, and yeah, these are great. And looking at the specifications, you can just see model code. Its working time it's around 6 hours and standby time around 70 days, and transmission range is 33 feet or 10 meters, which is basically range of Bluetooth devices. And yeah, the battery capacity is 38 mAh, and yeah, these are pretty great specifications. For the price, I will tell the price later. Okay, so now let's open the box. Just opening box, you will just see the main AirPods and the cable, which is USB to micro USB type, and you will not get the adapter, you will just get the cable. And if you look at inside, you will just find some regular paperwork which just comes with every device nowadays, and some spare earbuds which you can use if you are not comfortable with the earbuds they have provided. And yeah, that's pretty much of it. And if you look at the AirPods, you will just open it, and yeah, this looks great. These are magnetically covered, and okay, so these are the main AirPods. The design is great and you can just comfortably wear in your ears, and noise cancellation is also awesome, and the sound quality is also awesome, and just everything is awesome. And you can just put them back right here, and this shows the battery, it's presently 26%. and yeah, these are pretty much great AirPods if you are planning to buy AirPods. The price, if you talk about the price, it has a price of around 2000 rupees, and it's quite cheaper than other companies AirPods. Like if you talk about Apple AirPods, they just come for 14,000 rupees. And yeah, these are pretty much great at this price, and you can just buy if you want. And of course, it's a Japanese company, so you can just trust the company and the quality as well. And yeah, this was it for the AirPods unboxing. Hope you liked the video. If you did, do subscribe and share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much.